my name is Kimberly and I work in the Youth Services Department of the Pickerington Public Library. And today we have a really fun STEAM craft that we're going to do. I have some helpers. Elizabeth, say hi.
Hi.
And William, say hi.
Hi.
He's 8 and Lizzie is 7, and they're going to help us with this. All you need is some baking soda, some vinegar, and some empty water bottles. To make it easier, we have, you'll see why, but I have these funnels and some spoons. So in your water bottle, what you want to do is put the vinegar in there. So I'd pour maybe like 1/3 of the way up is good. Not even halfway. There we go. Yeah, that's pretty good. And then the tricky part is you're going to have, oh, you need a balloon. I didn't even say the balloon part. That's the most important piece probably is the balloon. So you're going to have a balloon and trying to stretch it up and put it over the funnel is a little tricky. This is a fun kid activity, but they might need help getting this balloon on. So here we go. All right, it's on. Silly looking. Okay, then what we're gonna do is put this baking soda into here. Do you wanna try to spoon some in there? Take the spoon, and we're gonna pour it into the funnel. Good. I'm gonna shake down. Hold on a minute. Maybe a little bit more. That's pretty good. Oh, that's a lot. I don't know if it'll all fit in there. That's okay. All right. It goes right down in there. So now this is full of baking soda. I'm gonna slip it off of there. And if you feel like you overfilled it a little bit, it's fine. You can pour it right back out. I'm putting it right back out into my baking soda container. All right, the next tricky thing, you guys, is we're gonna take the balloon. Still a lot of baking soda. We're gonna take the balloon and we're gonna put it on top of the water bottle. How do you do that? You have to stretch it again, right? Really big. And we're gonna put it all the way over the top of this water bottle. See that? So it's just hanging here all silly looking. Isn't that silly? Okay, so I already pre-did a couple of these. So we can take these over here. Lizzie will push them all away. We don't need that stuff anymore. So now we have an orange one, we have a green one, and we have a red one. I'm gonna scoot the vinegar out of the way too so I can see your face. All right, that too. So which color do you want?
This one maybe.
The green, okay. You wanna take the orange?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna do this at the same time. What we're gonna do is we're gonna tilt this up so all of that powder falls into the vinegar. You guys ready? Let's count. Oh, wanna count? 1, 2, 3. Shake it in. Oh, someone's passed the leaks. I love that. Here, go ahead, take that. How's yours doing, Lizzie? How's yours? How's yours doing? Oh, Lizzie's is going up. Well, he sprayed us a little bit. It's pretty funny.
It's yellow.
So I don't know if his wasn't on good enough or if it had maybe some holes in it. Isn't that pretty funny, guys?
Yeah.
Okay, Lizzie, let me tell you what happened. Do you want to know what happened?
Yeah.
So when baking soda and vinegar mix, it makes a chemical reaction. It causes a chemical reaction that makes gas. And this balloon on top, when you get gas in there, it has to spread. Gas needs to spread and grow. So the balloon had to expand to let all that gas in. So look, that's a way to blow up balloons without having to use our mouths. We can just use some vinegar and baking soda. Was that fun, you guys?
Yeah.
All right, let's see. You guys can go ahead and try that at home. And we hope to see you next time, the next time we have a fun STEAM craft. Say bye.
Bye.